Jarret, that last bright idea you had was great, but we need another new product. But this one needs to be flashy.
Oh, brother, give me a break.
Another bad pun, but another great product. Distracted drivers plague the globe, and if there's anything you could do to get someone's attention, we think it's worth it. So, with BMW's flashing third brake light kit, we're gonna help with that.
This simple plug-and-play kit will have your third brake light flash 4 times before appearing solid each time you press your brake pedal, allowing you to attract the attention of a potentially distracted driver behind you more easily. And don't forget about that sportier, race car-inspired look that comes along with it.
Installation is simple and requires no coding to work, no cutting or splicing, and it makes use of your factory auxiliary power in your BMW. Now currently this is available for all BMW models except the E61, E70, and E83 BMWs, but to be on the safe side, head on over to our website and enter your VIN to ensure compatibility. Now BMWtech does want to let you know that some areas of the world this might be illegal, so it's best to check with your local laws, but you can always use this on the track. It only takes a few tools to install this, and all of what you need and so much more can be found in our BMWtech DIY Essentials Kit and our Trim Tool Kit, both of which you can find on our website, link in the description.
While this is super easy to install with the PDF instructions you get after your purchase, if you don't want to do it yourself, or maybe you got a few of our products at once and just want us to take care of it, well, stop on by our Orlando showroom or find one of our installers in about 30 countries around the world and we can do it for you. In the event you need help when installing this or any of our products, our support team is only a click or phone call away.
Now that you know all about the kit, Jarret is going to install it in Matt's E92. Now, while the location and how to access the light may be different in your BMW, the process of connecting it is the same. So, let's get to it.
Again, the location of your third brake light may be different, but in this case on Matt's E92, Jarret uses a BMWtech trim tool to get access to the light. Ah, look at that headliner. Well, they do say things sag when they get old. Once uncovered, the electronics to your third brake light will be exposed. Locate the connector for the brake light, free it if necessary, and disconnect it. Now take the BMWtech harness and plug one side in one end and the other side in the other end. Secure one end of the connectors and tuck the module out of the way. Reinstall the cover plate and you're done. Seriously, that's it.
And that is how you install this on your BMW. Now let's hear a personal story from Jarret about why he developed this kit and how it saved him from being in a potential accident.
I developed this product because I've seen it on the track and I thought it'd be pretty cool to offer to customers. Alright, basically one time there was somebody coming up behind me pretty fast and they were on their phone or not paying attention, and I pumped on the brakes a couple times and I believe the flasher saved me because they kind of swerved out of the way afterwards.
So there you have it. This inexpensive and easy to install kit could save your butt. So put down the phone, pay attention, and watch out for those brake lights. Want this kit for your car? Head on over to our website and enter your VIN and get yours today. For more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.
And I thought it'd be pretty cool to offer to customers. I can't.
Jarret's being serious is so funny.
I can't be serious? It's hard.